guys, welcome to another video. I'm currently at AP Tuning in Norwich, getting some few bits and pieces done to the Evo today. It's currently on the ramp, having a Whiteline bump steer correction kit fitted, track rod ends and the ball joints. It really helped with the steering geometry, especially if you're on if your car is lowered on coilovers. So you can see the ball joint to the left and the track rod end there. Both sides have been been fitted. I think the worst part was probably taking out the old ball joints and pressing the new ones in. The complete job was around about an hour to an hour and a half. I just pan around here just because the JDC lug nuts are on the side of the ramp here. These things are beautiful, absolutely beautiful, very light as well. Each one's has got its own lock and key, so yeah, pretty good. And here we have the axle nuts, hub nuts with the washers. We're going to be fitting them in a little while as well. And you can see the axle nut is on there now. Haven't got the split pin in just yet because we're just offering them up, but we never used the washers because the washers weren't as big as the UE washers. As you can see there, we used the UE washers again because the ones that came with the JDC kit, they were a little bit too small. The guys didn't really want to fit them because they weren't really wide enough. So we went without them for the time being. Hopefully at some point maybe JDC will make some ones that are more UE instead of being too narrow. But the bump steer correction kit and the axle nuts have been fitted now, so just going to move the car and get on the ramp for a four-wheel alignment. I just thought I'd take the opportunity to take a little pan round of the workshop here at APT. We've got this black Evo 8 up here, which is going to be a track car. This is APT's actual track car, Time Attack. It's Evo 7, running over 700 brake, I believe. It's an absolute monster, this car. The Fiesta's running around about 420. And there's my one. So just getting the alignment done, front and back. Nice and clean under there. It did take me some time to get it that clean, but yeah, well worth it, I believe. So the car's all done for today. Yeah, you know, I do like the hub nuts. I think they look nice, but I'm not sure whether I like it more with the hubcaps on or with the hub nuts exposed. I don't know. Jury's out. I'll have to see how I feel about it. I'll leave it for a couple of weeks and then make my mind up. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.